To the best of your ability, you can come right over here. There you go. Yeah. This one, my spotlight.
Grandpa, go! Grandpa!
What's going on?
Grandpa, go back up there! Go back up there! Grandpa, what are you doing, man? Get up there! Get up there! Get up there! Get him up there! Get up there, Grandpa! Yeah!
So we're going to have them drop a beat. As soon as they get started, Ash is going to start with one of the dances, and then you guys are going to mimic it. Yep. Exactly. And then what's going to happen after he's done and you guys are finished doing what he did, I'm going to do something new. I want you guys to mimic me. Can you guys do that?
Heck yeah.
I did it 50 years ago.
I mean, what do I say to that? Really? You know what? You are the inventors. Thank you so much for keeping us alive here. Here we go. We're going to have them drop the beat. Clap it up, everybody. Clap it up. Yeah. All right, you ready, Ash? Here we go. He's ready. Ready. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Here we go, clap it up, clap it up. Okay. I got you. Here we go, Ash. Hey, give him a clap, Oh, yeah. There we go. All right, your turn, my man. Your turn. Come on up. Give him a clap, everybody. Give him a clap. All right, your turn. Give a round of applause, everybody. Very good. As you can see, these guys obviously need our jobs. Clap it up for them. They did way better than us up here, man. But we got to meet you guys, of course, with this 100% gold medallion plastic chip on the stick. That's what I'm talking about. Clap it up. You guys keep turning back to the seats. Thank you guys so much for coming out. We're not going to end it right there because everybody wants to see a little bit more. Y'all want to see a little bit more? That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes I'd be a little bit too big. A little bit more.